How to repel dogs from your lawn. Wandering dogs in the neighborhood tend to mark nearby mailboxes, lawns, plants and trees. This can be annoying, because canine urine quickly kills grass and other yard plants. The trick to keeping dogs away from your yard, aside from building a fence, is to make it smell unpleasant to animals. Because dogs use their noses for everything, one whiff of a bad smell will usually keep them away for weeks at a time. You might not keep every dog away from your yard, but you can repel many of them. Things you'll need: warm water, watering can, baking soda, white vinegar, commercial dog repellent. Vinegar. Pour white distilled vinegar into a watering can. You might need several bottles, depending on the size of your lawn. Dogs do not like the scent of vinegar and will avoid it. Pour the vinegar mixture around the perimeter of your lawn. Do not directly apply the mixture to your grass or plants, because the vinegar will kill it. Repeat the process weekly or after rainstorms. Baking soda and water. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into 1 gallon of warm water. Mix the solution until the baking soda dissolves. Pour it into a watering can. Sprinkle the baking soda and water solution in the areas of your lawn where dogs tend to urinate. Baking soda covers up the scent of dog urine. Apply the baking soda mixture at least twice a week to keep dogs away from your lawn. Commercial dog repellents. Purchase a commercial dog repellent solution at a pet store or home improvement store. They come in sprays, powders and liquids. Follow the directions on the package for lawn application. Repeat the application every 3 months or as directed on the product packaging. Tips: warnings. Place a sign on your lawn asking neighbors to keep dogs away from your grass. Do not put coffee grounds, garlic or toxic chemicals on your lawn. These items are toxic to dogs.